Hello guys, welcome to my new channel Inevitable Hopes. My name is Arun Maurya and I'm from Uttar Pradesh. So the main motto of starting this new channel is to cover the most of the topic which is required to clear an interview, particularly in aviation industry. The topics are either basic or very important, it doesn't matter. Okay? Because being a part of an airline, right now working with an airline, I don't want to disclose the name of the company in which I'm working with, because as it has nothing to do with this video, and that's a different thing. So uh, before my current job, I was working with a hotel chain property. I was working there as a front office executive. So if you require some information related to hotel industry also, I can share you my personal experience, as I don't possess any qualification related to that particular hotel industry. I was working there on the basis of my interest, knowledge, desire, whatever you can say. That the clearing those interview round is not a rocket science. All you have to do is have some interest related to particular sector, because spoon feeding is not going to help you. Reference is a different thing. For reference also, you have to be capable enough to stand there, sit on in the premises during the time, at the time of interview. Keeping that aside, I will share my personal experience related to hotel and airline, also both the sector. I'm not going to cover all the topics in the particular single video, as I'm not that smart to keep the video interesting, as I'm new to this YouTube channel. But I will make sure to keep the videos short and simple, and I will cover. I will make sure that I won't miss any particular thing in my video if I'm making a video particularly related to a topic. So I want your suggestion also, what you want me to add in the video. Rather than putting a hatred comment, I will request you to share your feedback and give some suggestions. So as the pandemic situations are there right now, so there is no point of just sitting there and waiting for the things to get back to normal. The pandemic will go, there is no written that it will go on this particular date, but there is a hope that everything will get back to normal. So I want you to keep yourself ready and be prepared. Whenever there is an opportunity, I want you to grab it. So rather than just staying there and playing mobile games or doing your thing, I want you to do something which is going to help you in your future career. It's not about preparing yourself in preparing an introduction which are going to help you in the first round. That's after first round, there are many rounds which are going to help you, okay, which you have to clear. So taking care of your grooming, working on interpersonal skill, taking care of your personality is all about your attitude, posture, gesture, how you present yourself, your point of view, okay. Knowing your flaws and working on that what make you a better person. So I will cover most of the topic which are going to help you, particularly it's my personal experience. Before being a part of this airline industry, this airline, I had many doubt that was stupid according to me at that time. There is no limit of thinking, there is no limit of asking a question, okay. If you want to acquire some knowledge related to particular area, you can ask as many questions as you want, okay. So I had many doubt which according to me that was stupid, so I never had the guts to discuss with anyone. So you can ask me in personal message. I will share you my Instagram ID, and I want you to don't offer me any type of payment or fees. I will not charge you anything, okay. I'm not telling you this because uh, uh, the main reason is that in my Instagram, before making this channel, many people has offered me few amount. They want the commitment that I will help them in cracking the interview. So I don't want you to do that, okay? All I want is I'm making this video for myself also. I want to keep myself motivated. I mean, मैं अपने आप को इस काबिल बनाना चाहता हूँ कि मैं किसी के काम आऊँ. अगर मेरे पास कोई नॉलेज है तो मैं उसे स्प्रेड करना चाहता हूँ. सो आपके पास जो भी डाउट होगा, लैंग्वेज इज़ नॉट एन इशू. मुझे हिंदी आती है और इंग्लिश आती है, और कोई लैंग्वेज में मैं कंफर्टेबल नहीं हूँ. आई विल मेक श्योर, अगर आप कोई और लैंग्वेज में भी अगर मुझे कमेंट में या फिर पर्सनल मैसेज में पूछते हैं तो आई विल मेक श्योर कि मैं आपको राइट आंसर दे पाऊँ ट्रांसलेट करके. बट आई विल शेयर माई इंस्टाग्राम ID. सो दिस इज़ अ न्यू स्टार्ट. इट्स नॉट लाइक दिस इज़ समथिंग न्यू आई एम गोइंग टू शेयर यू. मैं बहुत यूट्यूबर से इंस्पायर्ड हूँ. I have been following many YouTubers before I was a part of airline industry. So these are the things which जो मुझे मोटिवेट करता है. So हर किसी का एक मोटिवेशन का फैक्टर होता है. So I also have few factors which is helping me right now. So let's stay together. Let's stay on the same page, and see you guys soon with a lot of video. Thank you.